Welcome everybody to Fishing with Jett. Man, they may still call it springtime, but whew, I'm telling you, it feels like summer. It is hot. Today's video is going to be all about top water. I've barely thrown any top water lures at all this year so far. And you know, today it's that time. It's that time today to catch some bass top water. And I'm gonna bring y'all along with me. We don't have that much time. I got stuck with a mandatory Saturday at work. Just holding it a subject. But anyway, we're gonna get on with this video. We're gonna start off today throwing a Whopper Plopper. Yeah, I got out here on the water and the wind, as usual, it's a little bit heavier than I thought at first. But we're gonna give it a go. The water is good and stained. Not to the point where it makes top water difficult to anything. Should work out perfect. Let's see what we can come up with. Just gonna kind of like start out over a little area I know where the water gets kind of shallow. A little bit off the bank. Out in the middle of the wind. I'm hoping today is not a lot of clouds in the sky, but I'm hoping today be a good day for top water. But hey, you won't know until you try it. Look at that, look at that. The first blow up on the Whopper Plopper. First blow up on the Whopper Plopper is a warmouth brim. First top water fish of the year. Go figure. The lure is literally bigger than him. But look, lure almost bigger than he is. Fish are ruthless. They'll trip sometimes. Get on back in there and grow a little bit more. Yep, that one. That one, y'all. That one. There's one. Got a nice one right there. Top water, first official bass of the year on top water. Thank you for the bite, little man.